China has reached a significant medical milestone by successfully curing a diabetes patient. How did they achieve this? Through pioneering cell therapy, which enabled the patient to stop relying on insulin injections after just 3 months of treatment. Our upcoming report will provide more details, offering hope for those with diabetes. In this major medical breakthrough, Chinese scientists have cured a patient's diabetes using innovative cell therapy. A team from Shanghai Changxing Hospital, the Center for Excellence in Molecular Cell Science, and Renji Hospital developed this treatment with their findings published in the journal Cell Discovery. The patient received a cell transplant in July 2021 and, within 11 weeks, no longer needed external insulin. For those familiar with diabetes, the relief from insulin injections is significant. Over the following year, the patient gradually reduced and eventually stopped taking oral medication for blood sugar control. Follow-up exams confirmed that the patient's pancreatic functions were effectively restored. How did this happen? The therapy involved programming the patient's blood cells to transform into seed cells, which then recreated pancreatic islet tissue in an artificial environment. To explain further, our body needs insulin to maintain blood glucose levels. The pancreatic islet tissue contains beta cells that release insulin. In diabetes, these cells stop working, so the body stops producing its own insulin, leading to dependence on external insulin. However, the new cell therapy turns some of the patient's blood cells into seed cells that function like the beta cells in pancreatic islet tissue, releasing insulin. Consequently, the diabetes patient no longer depends on external insulin. This approach utilizes the body's regenerative capabilities, an emerging field known as regenerative medicine. This treatment could significantly benefit China, which has the highest number of diabetes patients globally, with 140 million people affected and 40 million relying on lifelong insulin injections. The new cell therapy could greatly alleviate this burden. This is a report from We in World as One. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.